afternoon. Right now it's about 1:20 p.m. and today is 12th of February 2017. Oh, 2018. Sorry. See where I sit, when I'm in the market, I just forget about everything. Somebody was yesterday saying that you don't even remember the expiry day. So I definitely don't remember, I don't remember. I have to check it on the net, even for that matter, I don't even remember, which YouTube number I need to put. So many times I put the wrong number, if it is 264 or 265, I'll just write a previous or the next one. So anyway, when I'm sitting in the market, I'm just lost completely into it. And I enjoy every single second of being in the market. So anyway, that's how I enjoy. So this is Adani Enterprises. Can you see? Let me show you Adani Enterprises. So today my trade was in Adani Enterprises. See the beautiful run up, right? So the moment it crossed its morning range, of course I check a lot of other parameters, and it has taken up a upward flight. This is how it is heading up. Now my on my radar now onwards till the end of the day will be Tata Steel, right? I'm waiting for Tata Steel to break its morning range. So this trade will get over. I'll rotate my capital. So the money that get released from here, I'm going to put here. But I'm waiting for it to give me a confirmation, right? I need the confirmation that the Tata Steel is now matured. Okay, so this is how you can go. You can really earn huge amount of money from your capital, and then some one trade that I have given you is Gujarat Narmada Valley. Gujarat Narmada Valley also looks very nice to me. I'm expecting it to give me a breakout. So already I gave it at 480 and it is at 487 and it even touched 490. So before we go on anywhere, let's talk about Nifty, right? So if you look into Nifty is stuck up in a narrow range since morning, right? It's not being able to cross its barriers. So let me just put a pivot point and then show you from there. These are the pivot points, right? So see here, Nifty opened above the pivot point. That means the stance of Nifty is positive, right? But see here, once, twice, three, four, five times it could not cross. Now what could be a possibility? Like what I'm expecting Nifty to do is cross this barrier with momentum, cross this barrier with momentum and volume. Then I'm expecting it to go up, right? If it does not, if it again experiences a resistance, then there could be a possibility that Nifty may come down, right? And so what I really did, I have done a lot of trades today, but what I want to explain you is SBIN. This is SBIN, right? It fell massively by good about 3% or so. It fell. It opened with a gap down opening about 2.5%, right? And but whenever the stock has such a huge gap down opening, and that to be SBIN, there is a good opportunity of buying that exists. Okay, so I have bought its call also, because I feel it should go up because I'm expecting Nifty to also go up. So I'm expecting SBI also to respond. But right now, Nifty is struggling. Nifty is really struggling, right? Nifty is really struggling because this barrier is huge barrier for it. So what I want Nifty to do is to break this barrier with volumes, break this volume with barrier with volume. So when the Nifty will break it with volumes, then you can be assured Nifty at least will go from here 30 to 40 points, right? So the stock, as I told you, which is on my radar, is Tata Steel. Tata Steel is on my radar, and I told you the reason. Reason for that is I'm feel that it is just above its morning range right now, right? And in fact, I have bought it also. I have just bought some shares of it. So see here, I've bought some 50 shares of Tata Steel just to see my, analysis. I have bought these 50 shares of Tata Steel the moment it broke its morning range, and I have also bought Man Industries. I've also bought. I gave it on the Telegram. So at the same time when I gave it on the Telegram, I also bought it. So let's see how it gives you. So I don't know how are you feeling, guys. How is your view towards the kind of trade we do, I think they all are doing pretty well. You know, every single trade that I have given you, many of you were complaining that your portfolio is red. Of course, when the market is bearish, the portfolio will be red, right? But how do you really, be assured that if Nifty will bounce back, if the market will be positive, your trades will also be positive? Have that assurance in your heart, because market goes along with Nifty, so don't need to worry about it. You don't need to worry about it. And if you are confident, you will not be feeling jittery about it. Why is it happening with me? So another stock that I have on my radar is still Apollo Tires, right? But it's not, its morning range was huge and it's not broken its morning range. So I'm waiting for it to show me some kind of a momentum. Then I'll see if I need to create a position. So right now, Nifty looks weak. It's pretty weak to me. I don't know why Nifty is not being able to cross. Although Nifty has to cross, Nifty has to cross either way. Either, okay, then let's do one thing. We go to its 5 minutes graph. So this is the 5 minute graph, like see how many times it's tried to support itself. Once, twice, thrice, four, fifth, sixth time it's just below, little below, right? Trying to bounce back from this lower level, right? Let's see how market reacts to this, because let's see how market reacts. Is it a fictitious move or it's a solid move? I don't know. That we will get to know in a short while. Before it takes a decisive direction, it goes down, like it goes down or it goes up, does something, to hit people's stop losses. So I let's go to its option chain and also see there what's happening. So this is right now, where is Nifty right now? 10,519. So what is happening here? There is no barrier at 10,550, but there is a put writing happening at 10,500, right? So by looking at it, what can I see here? That definitely it was not going to be falling below 10,500, right? And upward, what could it be? The possibility 10,600 is the upward direction. But see, Nifty is kind of breaking its supports. So there could be a possibility that a bit of profit booking may come in, say about another 15-20 points from here. That could be definitely a possibility, right? So don't be panicked, don't be scared. This kind of things keep on happening when you sit in the market. A bit up and down happens, so one doesn't need to be scared of them, right? What need to be done is to be sure about the market, like what's going to be market stance. Like for example, look into Apollo Tire, right? It's called, you remember, I don't know how many of you remember, we gave it at 3, we booked it at 4, still it's available, and I think if it crosses this barrier it will head up, right? It still plans to head up. That's what my perception is. But it all depends upon Nifty, how Nifty is behaving. But Nifty is not is experiencing a resistance, a very clear resistance. So it has to hold itself. Nifty has to hold itself. That is something absolutely sure. So I'm going to do one thing right in front of you. Then I'm going to put a line. Where am I going to put a line? Wherever it has these, wherever it touched and bounced back. So it's breaking now, it's with volume, right? So now what could be the possibility? This is another support that it may have. So either it may fall till this point and bounces back, or the next support it will have is over here, right? Let's see from where it bounces back or it falls further. We don't know what may happen. So looking into the market doesn't look weak to me, like you, when you see all the stocks going down or reacting in a negative way, then you know that market will go down. But to me, market doesn't look weak, right? In fact, stocks look pretty strong. And one of the stock that I have on my radar is Jet Airways. In fact, I have a position in Jet Airways at I'll show you at what point I have my positions in this. So I have bought Jet Airways. So Jet Airways, I have bought at what price? 815. I have bought Jet Airways at 815. And right now it's in a pretty good profit, because right now I believe Jet Airways is, where is Jet Airways right now? Hmm, Jet Airways is right now at 825 points up from where I have bought it. So not a bad situation, not a bad situation. And see, although the Nifty is not going here and there, but the trades are profitable. So I am right now on the buy side, SBIN, SAIL, Reliance, Tata Steel, uh, Gujarat Narmada Valley, and Jet Airways and Adani Enterprises. I have done a lot of trading today, right? And as well as Nifty also, I am long into, I have bought a put of call of this. So let's see how, if Nifty doesn't mature today, maybe it'll mature tomorrow, but I'm 100% sure a bounce has to come, because the entire market space looks very, very positive to me, right? So guys, if you want to learn about market and if you want to earn decent money every single day, go to my website, talk to my team, and join, because we have our webinars starting from, you know, starting from 17th, right? 17th of February, we are starting with our webinar. So you are all most welcome. And with this program, we assure whatever is your investment, you get it back, right? So your learning becomes free. Your learning becomes absolutely free. So I'm waiting for you guys, because I believe that market is one place where you can earn money in both the direction, whether the market is going up or market is going down, right? But you should understand the direction of the market. And I'm here to teach you, and I will assure you that whatever money you invest, you get it back, right? Whatever money you invest, you get it back. That is something I really want to ensure, as my promise to you guys. So learn and earn. There is no one better doing this than us. A full team is dedicated in teaching you. Okay. So guys, if you have any question, please send me an email or send me a message. I will respond to it. But definitely you should learn. If you want to be in the market, you must learn about the market, because otherwise market is one place where you can earn money in both the direction, whether the market is going up or market is going down, right? With this, I would like to sign off, and let me quickly once again just see what's happening into the option chain, right? So option chain, call writing is happening and put writing is reducing. So there could be any possibility Nifty may fall a few points from here. That could also be a possibility, right? So if you are in a long position, please hold your positions very tightly, in the sense with tight stop losses, so that you don't incur more losses. And there could be some points of profit booking may come in. All right. So with this, I'm signing off. And see, today I have my holdings. See, all my holdings are doing pretty good. These are my BTST trades, and I'm getting already roughly about 5% profit. So in a day, I'm saying 5%, okay, can be a big value every day. But if you get 2% or 3% or 1% every day on your value, or 2% on your investment, I think it's a pretty good amount. It's a very, very good amount that you earn, right? So what I'm saying, that but to be able to earn consistently in the market, you have to learn, right? So I'm waiting for you, and please join ASAP, because seats are getting filled up. And I really wish to see you all there, so that you can earn good money and be financially independent. Okay. So there could be a possibility Nifty may bounce back, right? Why am I saying so? Because there is support here, right? In both the forms, in the form of this 50 moving average and S1. If it breaks this S1 with, no, this is R1. If Nifty breaks R1 with volumes, then it will fall further, right? And it'll come down to fill up this gap, right? But if it does not, then it may be able to hold itself back, right? So please be careful with your positions. But I'm signing off right now. See you tomorrow, and hope for the best, good and profitable trades every day. Bye bye.